y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jenna. I am a licensed marriage and family therapist, a mama to two beautiful little girls with one currently on the way. I'm a full-time working mom, wife, and a ton of other things that come along with that as well, or that define me. I wanted to create this channel to be a place that we can come and talk about mental health, the stigma that comes along with that, talking about motherhood, talking about parenthood, and all of the things that come along with that as well. I just hope that I can kind of create a community where I'm able to talk about mental health, talk about motherhood, and kind of just shed light on some of those areas, talking about progressing in different areas of our life and how we can work toward doing that. I know as a mama, I am constantly striving and trying to be perfect and to get everything done and to get everything accomplished. And sometimes that's just very unrealistic. Nobody can be perfect no matter how hard we try. So I want this to be a place that we can focus on making progress over perfection. So each week I'm hoping to post a video that sheds some light on whether it be mental health, motherhood, or something that ties in with me being a fully licensed marriage and family therapist. We're just talking about and discussing different topics and having what I like to call a progression session. So not focusing on perfection, just focusing on progress and making progress and what that looks like and how we can kind of reach and achieve our goals through making progress, through working towards whatever it is that we want to accomplish. So I hope that y'all will join me here in my little piece of the internet to discuss some of these topics, to meet weekly, to comment down below, to just bring awareness to these different areas of life that I think sometimes are lacking discussion about. We're not talking about some of these things, and that's why with mental health a lot of times there is that stigma that comes along with it. So bringing more awareness, being able to discuss these topics and coming together as a community is something that I am extremely passionate about, and I've been wanting to start this channel for a while now, and I figured, hey, why not now? Why not 2022? It's been a rough couple of years for a lot of people. We've all been going through a lot of things. There has been a spike definitely in mental health, and I think that we've done somewhat of a good job trying to shed some light onto that and to reduce the stigma that comes along with dealing with our mental health and addressing our mental health. But I think we still have quite a long way to go. So hopefully this will be an area that, in a place that we can kind of do some of those things, and I look forward to just what the year has to bring, 2022, and what all we can discuss together, reducing the stigma and bringing more awareness. So I hope that y'all will join me here on my channel, liking and subscribing, and join me each week as we have a progression session. So thank you so much for watching this video, and like I said, I hope that you stick around and will watch future videos. I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.